Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video we will be learning how you can download and install the popular Real Racing 3 application on your smartphone. To download Real Racing 3 on your smartphone, first of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store and then in the search box type in Real Racing 3. From the search result, look for this application from Electronic Arts and then tap on the Get or the Install button. Wait for the installation to complete, which will take several minutes. And once the application is downloaded, tap on Open to open the app and start enjoying the game. So that is how you can easily download and install Real Racing 3 car race game on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.